Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Tundra's maintenance light. First, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. It's important to make sure your odometer is showing, not the trip meter. If you see the trip meter, simply press the odometer button until the total mileage is displayed. This initial step sets us up for success in clearing that pesky light. Now let's perform the actual reset. Turn your ignition key completely to the off position. Next, press and hold down the odometer reset button firmly. While still holding that button, turn your ignition key back to the on position. Do not start the engine, just turn the key to on. Keep holding the button for the next few seconds. As you continue to hold the odometer button, watch the dashboard display. The maintenance light will begin to flash for a few seconds, indicating the reset process is underway. After flashing, the light will completely disappear from the display. Once you see the light vanish, you can release the odometer button. This confirms the reset was successful. To ensure everything worked correctly, go ahead and start your Tundra's engine. The maintenance light should remain off. If, for any reason, the light reappears, simply repeat the entire reset procedure from the beginning. Remember, consistent vehicle maintenance, like oil changes every 5,000 miles, is key to keeping that light off and your Tundra running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.